Unit 1, Subunit 1.4. Title of the subunit: Noise in Communication System. Noise is unwanted electrical disturbances. Which creates some problem in signal. When audio and video are transmitted in communication system, there is addition of certain unwanted disturbances, and that reduces signal to noise ratio. So a communication system is best when signal to noise ratio is high. It means noise is low and signal is high. The noise gets superimposed on a signal and make it impossible to separate the signal from noise. Now there are different types of noise. Noise can be broadly divided into two parts. One is external noise and internal noise. External noise is that which creates disturbances in the functioning or working of any circuit because of certain external happening. So the external noise can be of three types. One is atmospheric noise. Changes in the atmosphere will influence the signal transmission, that is called atmosphere noise. Second one is extraterrestrial noise. This can be of solar noise or cosmic noise. There are certain changes in the atmosphere. Because of the sunlight, the temperature goes on changing. So this change in temperature will influence the signal, that is called as a solar noise. There are some changes in the cosmics in the atmosphere that influences a signal, and that noise is called as a cosmic noise. Third one is man-made noise. It is a noise which is created because of operation of high power, high frequency electrical appliances in the house. Now the internal noise can be of variety of type, like short noise, thermal noise, transit time noise, flicker noise, and partition noise. So short noise, thermal noise, transit time noise, flicker noise, and partition noise. So these are the variety of noise depending upon the source from where the electrical disturbances are added. So the internal noise is that which is created because of improper functioning of the circuit. So because of the lead length is very long, that creates the noise called as a short noise. Because of rise in temperature, there is a addition of electrical disturbances in the signal, that is thermal noise. Transit time noise, it is the noise which is created because of the electrons will take more or less time to reach from source to the destination. Flicker noise, because of the changes in the electrical frequency from 50 Hz, that creates some disturbances called as flicker noise. Partition noise, the circuit should be divided into at least two parts, high power circuit and low power circuit. This should be partitioned, otherwise there will be creation of disturbances. So this is all about the noise in communication system.